Today, our country is under attack. An attack to destabilize our economy and throw us in the dark. Today, the G12 imposed a trade embargo against Lebanon, denying us one of the most basic needs for survival: tires. Throughout centuries, we've proven to be innovative people, and in a country with no infrastructure for electricity, water, and heating, we have learned that tires are the answer. We use them to generate alternative energy, to light our homes, cook our meals, and heat our water. But now, things have changed. With the current embargo, our stock of tires is quickly depleting, and soon there will be nothing left for us but the dark. This is a frightening picture, but it doesn't have to be. If we change the odds, here's what it looks like. How do we guarantee a healthy and bright future for our children and generations to come? The answer is simple, but it lies on every one of us. Now that you know what's at stake, what will you do?